Yep, I'm making part 2.5. Why? Simply because it's going to be out of frustration. If you ever have to get a surgery now, be prepared for hiccups. So no more than 2 weeks ago, they switched my surgery date, which was September the 19th, to September the 26th. And then last minute, last week, they contact me and tell me that it is back to December the 19th. So I frantically try and collect my life, get organized and stuff, to be ready for September the 19th. And then last night, when I'm at work, they emailed me and said, after they had told me that September the 26th wasn't going to be an option, and I couldn't just stick with September the 26th, that it is indeed pushed back till September the 26th. So, all that work and frustration was for nothing. And, as much as I can wait for surgery because I'm not excited for it, although it needs to happen, I don't know, I'm just really annoyed because they told me it's literally 2 days before I'm actually supposed to get surgery, and my anxiety is high. I don't know, guys. I guess I'm thankful that I'm ready. And it's only pushed back a week, so I don't know. I was just frustrated. But thanks for letting me vent. Thanks for listening. And, I gotta go back to work now. Take care.